Is overrated, positively antiquated. It's fun in theory, but it's just so dated. Yeah, peace is overrated. It's boring as beans. You ask for it so much, do you know what it means? Peace is overrated. The president agrees. That's totally why we're at war with the Middle East. Peace is overrated. Gun shows need money too. A bullet makes it clear who will win and who will lose, right? Overrated, war reigns supreme. The arms trade is king, if you know what I mean. Peace is overrated, it's really just a word. You've been saying it since the 60s, but I guess no one's heard. Peace is overrated, I know you understand. Please don't act like things are just now getting out of hand. Peace is overrated, it's really pretty lame. It's war that gets attention and movies and fame. Peace is overrated, don't give me that look. When's the last time you saw peace in a history book? Peace is overrated, peace is overrated, peace is overrated, peace is overrated, woo! Peace is overrated, peace is overrated, peace is overrated.